So did you see the brochures for Lakeview Canyon?
No, I haven't seen them yet.
Yeah, check it out.
Yeah, and the floor plans look super cool.
I have an idea for the house premiere.
All right, let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Well, we already did the taco cart. We've done the gourmet hand pizzas already.
Yeah.
I want to take it up a notch. So
How much is this going to cost?
don't worry about that.
Story of my life.
It's the experience.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
so I want to do hosted sushi bar. We have maybe a couple of servers passing that out, and
Not the chicks that lay on the table.
not the chicks that lay on the table.
Okay.
That could be for a different house party. Maybe we get a listing in Hollywood
Not
Hills.
that kind of house.
In Hollywood Hills, maybe. Okay, but seriously, for drinks, I was thinking we ask Dusty Neighbor
Yeah.
Neighbor Wines, right? So, what do you think?
Well, I think it's good.
Yeah.
No, I just think for this house, it's such an impressive drive up, and the
Yeah.
view's great overlooking the golf course that we
Yeah.
need to add some pizzazz to it,
Like what?
like a Billy or a Rolls, because you've got that big motorcade in the front.
Yeah. How much is that gonna cost?
It's almost my birthday.
That's not happening.
Okay, so who do you know that would loan us one?
Oh, you know who works over there is Michelle Madden. She works at a Gara Coach. She could probably help out. Hey, Michelle. Good to see you.
Hi, good to see you too.
How's everything?
Wonderful, wonderful. How can I help you today?
So I want to talk to you about this new listing that I got.
Okay.
And it's here in North Ranch, and it's super sexy, super cool, golf course views, and it's got like this perfect driveway where I thought if we had some amazing vehicles there that I think would match with maybe some of the neighbors or prospective buyers.
Okay.
And I thought of you. So is this it?
This is it.
Oh my gosh.
This is Bentley Bentayga.
Okay.
It is the fastest SUV out on the market right now.
Nice. How fast is 0 to 60?
Well, 4 seconds.
4 seconds. That's pretty fast.
600 horsepower. So we have two Dons in the show.
Okay. Nice.
Now, the one that I had in mind, I think will be perfect because it is the same color scheme, but very similar to
Yeah, our colors. Yeah, for
So,
sure.
Rolls is known, of course, for the Spirit of Ecstasy.
Right.
And the Parthian Girl.
Uh-huh.
And it's just a sexy, luxurious vehicle.
Yeah. No,
On
it's
top
a
of the
beast.
fact that, no, it is absolutely a beast. And you still have over 600 horsepower. But the difference with this vehicle is that you're there to just ride and feel the experience of being in a Rolls Royce.
This one is going to be perfect for our event. So the event's been amazing. We've talked to many prospective people that have some interest in the property, and if they're not specifically interested, I know they know somebody who's interested in the property. And I'm just really glad that we put together an event that just matches the property so well that gives it the representation that it deserves. We're not expecting this property to be on the market very long.